Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be making a super cute milkmaid inspired spring dress. You can make it into a top or a dress, it is your choice, so let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you are going to want to do is you want to cut out the pattern pieces. I am making mine into a dress, so you don't have to do that if you want, that's why I have these extra pieces here. But you want to cut two of these for the front and back, and then you'll want to cut a waistband, and then if you are going to make the dress you want to cut out the two pieces, this one that goes along the line and this one that doesn't, and you see I'll just cut around that edge there. Then for the straps, oh my gosh, why is it pink? For the straps, this is 2 inches, well around 2 inches, a little less than that, by 13, and then oh, that's the waistband, and then these are the straps, and the straps are a little over 1 inch. You can see there it is 1 inch by 7.5. That's probably too much for what I'm doing, but it's better than too little. Also, y'all, I just thought I should say this, but the way the pattern is made, you have a front ruffled, back ruffled. But I think it would be really cool if you wanted, you could make it double-sided, so have like one color on this side, one color on that side. That would look totally cool. So if y'all are going to make this, I would suggest to do that. I think I might do that myself later. First thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have your stitch length like, set to the longest. I'm going to have mine set to 5, and then you want to stitch that and then pull the bottom line and gather it, and you want these to be even, and you want them to fit across the doll chest like this. Alright, so after you gather it, you want to pin it down or clamp it down like I did. Literally, these clips are probably one of my favorite sewing things that I have other than my rotary. If you want them, I think I'll have an Amazon link in the description, so you can just check them out there. One of my favorite things that I own by far. So basically, you just want to pin out these sides, you know, where there's that there. You want to pin out those sides, make sure they are aligned, and then you're going to want to sew from here to here to here to here to here. You do not want to sew at the bottom, and I'll see you after that. After you sew it like that around with the straps in, basically you're just going to want to press it, which is ironing it, and then align the bottom and basting stitch it, and then I'll tell you what to do next. So after you do the basting stitch, you can just gather it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You just want to gather it. Alright, so I just draped it over her, but so far so good. It's looking so good. Really excited. It's not as poofy as my first one was. It was a little but now you're just going to want to, well, I'm going to cut mine in half, but you're going to want to attach the waist, and when you attach the waist, you want to make sure to sandwich in these straps. Alright, so after you sew the straps in and the top of the waistband, your top should be looking like this. If you don't want to sew the tops onto the side, and you can make them tie-ups, like this one right here. This is my first one that I made, and I made the ties loose, so it's more of a halter style, and it's just like that. So I just top stitched mine over, but if you're done, you can just fold up these sides and sew that, attach Velcro, and you're done. That's the top. But if you're like me and you want to make the entire dress, then you'll want to continue watching. Okay, so for the skirt of the dress, you'll want to cut out the pattern, and then you'll want to sew up both of these sides, and then hem the bottom. Alright, after that, it should be looking just a little wonky. It will be fine in the end, but I'm just going to do a basting stitch up here, and you want to gather a little bit into this area. It's okay if these panels are left a little wide. You can always dart it in the back and contour it to the back of the doll, which I love doing. It works really well for trousers. Yeah. For that, you just want to attach the skirt to the top. Make sure you try to align it so it's equal and it all looks good. After that, you just want to sew up the back part way, and then we're going to attach some Velcro.
And that's it. I love how this turned out, and I definitely want to make more in different colors. I also wanted to suggest, if you You can add like a drawstring in the front of the bodice to get more of an authentic milkmaid look. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just search up a milkmaid dress. You will see them with drawstrings. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!